tell me what's going on right now.
I do not like the cow drop.
Well, what's wrong with what's going on?
I like the taste of it.
But does something hurt?
My throat.
Your throat. All right, so put it in your cheek. Put it in your cheek. And then swallow your spit. Alright. First cough drop's not going well. What do you want to do?
Spit it out.